Meghalaya was angori kawi nokor ka trinumul borni na shingmong kaisha na bidan sabha asuknani phiaba aboni shikango na trinumul ni kem kotor jangrok jaka trinumul ni khorok MLA trinumul yakari BCP bodol habika tangshala bidan sabha ni speaker ni thani asukthai yakar mumblai rekha MLA aboni logi Meghalaya ni naikol phang nationalist people bodol ni khorok ni MLA tangshala speaker ni thani asukthai yakar mumblai rekha borok ni asukthai yakar mani yagulo borok BCP bodol habai manu hani wan suklaikya haibano BJP by Kathalai Hapang Sanamka NPP tabuk NPP ni khorok ni MLA Falin Sangmate Benedict Marak Bidan Sabani Achuk Thaya Karmani Logi Bodol ni member ni Achuk Thaya Yakarka Tang Shalo Borok Meghalaya Bidan Sabani speaker Medba Langdong ni Yago Yakomong Blai Rekha.
It be different 4-5 years back, but now after seeing the work of the BJP for the last 10 years, people have been experiencing what kind of development, what kind of
2023 Meghalaya Bidan Sabha Chongmari Engnani Kok Tongmani Phiaba Chongmari ni Shikango no phangwnang Ngei Tongka BJP te Baba Shebakago Trinumul ni MLA te NPP ni MLA rok asuk thaya karmano lamshuka BJP ni khoraksha ozama boshaka o haste ni hamkani bukhak nashika shudu BJP bodol yang bukhago khorok tham ozama rok asuk thaya karmani yagulo BJP habai manu hunei kok shawi tongkha aroni bishingo kasam Trinumul MLA shaka dakti no borok delio thangai tongo hanei aro BJP bodol ni banner romui thangmanu borok.
So public already they have seen the development, so that's why public won BJP now. So they choose, my workers choose. So that's why I've been there. Thank you very much. No
what is wrong with NPP? You are thick and thin with NPP.
Nothing has happened.
Nothing is wrong in
Yes.
NPP.
Yes.
But
what I would like to say is we would not like to actually point fingers at which government, anybody. Okay, this is not the time for us to do that. Time will come when we are in the battlefield during the
Where we might have to say.
campaign of the election. That is the time when we will bring the points to the people. But right now, what we are trying to tell you is that why have we joined this big party, this national party of the BJP, is because we look up at Narendra Modi as the big role model for us. Now, Narendra Modi can change things. We feel that and we believe that things will change for Meghalaya. There are a lot of things that we need to bring to Meghalaya. Look at the unemployment problem that we are facing in the state. Now, look at Assam. When the Assam Chief Minister could distribute 25,000 appointment letters on one single day, why cannot we do it? What is holding up Meghalaya not being able to issue that kind of appointment letters to our youths? So therefore, it is again the BJP because the ideology of Narendra Modi is to provide employment to the youths, provide houses to the rural poor, provide rice to the rural poor, and also to help the farmers. Therefore, we look forward for better days ahead so that we can serve the people of the state more better.
Yang Bukha Khorok Tham MLA ni Asuk Thaya Karmani Yagulo Meghalaya Bidan Sabha ni member wngkha 57 no. Bureau report Khorok.